Hi, my name is Ashi Mugam, working as an HR assistant manager HR with Reliable Group of Companies. So here I'm working since 4.5 months, and it has been a great experience. Our company deals with export and import of Indian market, and we are specialists in real estate as well. So our company is kind of Sprint, and since we have started our new business in Noida around back into 2024 November, we are working with Sprint, one of the most top-notch offices, if I would say. As I have been having experience of more than 5 years in this particular HR line, and I have seen and have worked with certain offices and the premises which are not actually that good for working. In safety wise, if I could say, cleanliness, the service which they provide, the breakout areas they have, it's very refreshing. And if I talk about my company employees, I have taken feedback. Being an HR, I have taken feedback with certain employees. So they are having wonderful feedback regarding the services which they provide. So being a girl, I would be having, I would be concerned about my cleanliness and the washroom issues. Usually girls feel, and the second most, recurring problem which girls feel is about safety. So both of the problems we haven't felt yet till now. Me as a working HR manager, I take feedback with my employees almost in every alternate week. So I have never find such problem with Sprint. So it is wonderful organization, wonderful place to outsource our business. It is one-stop solution for everything. So at that moment when we have shifted in Noida, so I just remember we were looking out for so many offices, and there were certain issues which we are facing. So we need to get a housekeeping vendor for that particular office, for if we have buy a private building for us. So there were issues like where we would be finding housekeeping staff, and then pantry staff, everything we were concerned about. However, when we have came to Sprint, it is a one-stop solution for all the IT services, for housekeeping services, everything under one roof. So we just need to carry our laptops or our systems with us and just need to start working over here. We actually need not to worry about cafeteria area, because people prefer working in such a places where cafeteria is under one roof. So in my previous offices as well, people used to go out for the cafeteria purposes. Here we are, if I see everything, lunch, in fact they are giving facilities for night shifters as well. So it is a perfect solution, I guess. So if I talk about the staff over here, the helping people who are present all the time for us. So one of the persons I work here with Sprint is Pooja. She is always there to help, even in the absence of me. She is taking care of the unit and the certain problems if girls are facing anything related to their washroom, cafeteria thing, and the safety and all. She's taking care of it proactively, even if I intimate her or say her anything. So staff over here is very cooperative. If I talk about Pavan ji, he is also very cooperative with as we are having common conference area and the meetings, so it is always available and it's very feasible to book these slots over here. And yes, we don't find it any the crowded areas anywhere in the office, and we are struggling for the meeting room and the conference room. It's never happened like that. So they are available in one call anytime, if I would say. Even when we are running our night shifts, these guys are available every time for us. So this is what something more than the property which matters, because people come and people go actually, but people somehow supporting like that, we are it's very difficult to find. Thank you so much, Sprint, for everything.